In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Dramabox mobile app. So if you're having issues with your Dramabox app, then you might need to go ahead and fix some of this problem. Maybe your app is malfunctioning, it keeps on crashing, or it can't open at all, or it keeps on opening and closing. Now, if you're experiencing any of this, you can easily solve this. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to get started, first we need to access the Dramabox app info in the first method to solve this problem. So there are two ways you can access the app info page. First, you can go to settings and tap on it. And then from settings, look for the apps option, which is here. Now under this, tap on manage apps. And then this will open all the other apps. On some smartphones, it might not be manage apps, but all apps, go ahead and tap on it. Now from this list, go ahead and look for your app. And mine is here. I'll go ahead and tap on it. At this point, you see, we have now access to our app info page. So that is one of the methods to get to this page. However, if this is too long, let me show you the shortest method. For the shortcut, just go and long press on the app like this. And then you'll see this option called app info. Here it is. If you go ahead and tap on it, again you see we are on app information page. So from here, scroll down, and we are interested in clearing the app data. So if I go to storage and tap on it, you can see we have a lot of cached data and user data for this app. So I'm interested in clearing this cache data. Now, cache data are small files that your app stores whenever you use the app. However, the accumulation of these files sometimes might cause your app to malfunction or to stop working. So you need to go ahead and clear all this data, and you can do it by tapping on clear data here. And then this will give you two options, either to clear all data or clear cache. So I'll go ahead and tap on clear cache and then confirm by OK. And as you can see, the cache data has been cleared. Now from this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone, and now this should have fixed most of the problems that you are experiencing with your app. However, should this not fix your problem, then proceed and clear all the app data. When you tap on clear all data, then this will go ahead and clear all the data. And at this point, you have to note this will log you out and you'll have to log in afresh with your credentials. So go try this and then go open your app, log in afresh, and see if that solved your problem. At this point, most of your problems should have been solved. However, if you're still experiencing glitches with your app, then you might need to proceed and go to the last and final method, and that is going to Google Play Store. And then under search here, look for the app, and here is our app. Go ahead and tap on it. And from here, look for any update if it is available. So one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated app, and all you need to do is to go ahead and tap on update if it is available, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of Dramabox app and install it on your smartphone. For my case, as you can see, I already have the latest version of this Dramabox app, and therefore I'll not need to update it. Once you're done now, just proceed and tap on open, and now all the problems or the bugs that were associated with the older version of the app will have gone. So that's how you troubleshoot and fix problems related to your Dramabox movie app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and please watch the next video.